Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows when you forget your password. So the first step, you need to click on this icon and here you can see three options. So first you need to click on restart and then you need to hold the shift with the restart button. If you not hold, then you can see what happen. Let me show you. Let's suppose if I not hold, here you can see that this is a black screen. So you make sure that you hold the shift and then you need to restart your PC or your laptop like I am doing. Here you can see that. Click on OK and now it is start and you need to wait for a few seconds here. Now you need to wait for a few seconds here more until it is started. Okay, and here you need to select your language. So I am going to select US. Okay, and here you can see troubleshoot. Click here, or second option, turn off your PC, and here you can see different options. So how you can fix that? So you simply need to click on system restore, or you can click on startup repair. So it is up to you. I'm repairing. You can reset your PC as well, and that I'm show you. So this is our process.